All right, so how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at the Hipshot Grip-Lock Vintage 6 Inline Staggered Close 8.5mm tuners with universal mounting plate. These are very easy to install. This is the second guitar I put it on, and as you can see here, I'm taking off the old tuners on my Squire Squire guitar here. And this is, like I said, my second time doing it, and it was very easy for me to do. I did make some mistakes, so you might want to check this out. And it is worth noting that they are cheaper on Amazon. There'll be links down below than other places as Reverb and Musician's Friend and stuff like that. I don't know why they're less expensive, but they are. So I got all the old tuners off, and these are staggered tuners, so you got to make sure that you have them staggered correctly. And some are longer and some are shorter, and they're numbered in the box. As you actually can't see the numbers on the box, but the longer ones are going to be for the E string, the A string, and then the shorter ones go to the B and the high E string. Now they have these plates here that are the universal plates you can just stick on like so everything lines up. They do include screws, but on this particular model of guitar, the screws do not match the fitting, so this is the best part about these. You don't have to drill anything. You just put these plates on here, and you just kind of put them like so, and then get them going, and they line up really well. And then once you get the second plate on, and you put all the tuners in, you just kind of lock them into place briefly, if you will, on the other side, like I'm doing now here. Now here's the mistake I made. The plates I put on incorrectly, the plate that goes under the tuners, because I wasn't paying attention. And you can see the gap right there between the tuners. So I had to take these top three off, or the high E, high B, and the other string off, and then put the plate on correctly so it lines up with the other one nice and snug. So everything lines up perfectly when you get them into place. Now I'm just tightening them up a little bit on the other side, and then I'm going to flip the guitar over here. Then use my wrench and just tighten them up. Make some final adjustments here, make sure everything's nice and tight. And you can kind of see on the screen here, they are staggered, so the higher ones are the E string there. I'm just gonna turn them so I can string it very easily. And everything's perfectly locked into place there, if you will. And then I just replaced the string tree as well, strung up, and I could cut those strings a little more, but there you go. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. They also make these for, you don't have to just use them on Teles, you know, Strats, the Gibson guitars, whatever. They make different models as well. So check it out. Let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.